Assume for a moment that you are a premises manager in charge of overseeing the various requirements of operating an office block. Likely as not, the premises will have water systems and, to comply with legislation, a programme of maintenance and records of completion. While you're responsible for only one building, it's quite simple to put all your results into a folder and keep up to date with what is going on. Now let us assume that you are a premises manager for a hospital with perhaps thousands of outlets, a big factory with many types of water systems, a portfolio of office blocks, or perhaps a large housing stock. How many logbooks are needed? Where do they need to be kept? How many copies of each record are needed? How much time do you need to read through them and find the faults? Nothing's impossible, but there is an easier way. What about having one central database, a central bank of knowledge that can be accessed by site staff to obtain a programme of weekly flushing? Contractors can receive test programmes and enter results. Consultants can watch over the performance of control measures. And since the results are actually recorded as results with limits, you only need to pay attention to those that are outside a target. Welcome to L8MS Manage, a centralised logbook. All records are held in a data centre described by the supplier as the largest and most advanced web hosting arena in the world. They have backup generators, multiple hard drives, dual routers, cooling systems and gel battery power banks, industry-leading 130GB connectivity, 24/7 monitoring by internet specialists, safety airlocks, permanently recording video cameras, and well, you get the picture. It's not in our garage. Unique purpose-built software gives administrators at a glimpse 52-week planners, giving a simple indication of planned tasks, missed tasks, completed tasks, and tasks that generated non-conformities. For static staff, monitoring tasks can be accessed by a web browser, for direct results entry, or even to print off a task-specific job sheet. For technicians, the task can be sent to Android mobile phones. Our little app allows for collection of results while offline running around buildings without buying additional hardware. Out of specification results are held as non-conformities. They require actions and status changes, which can be grouped by sites and failure types and signed off on mass if required. Site folders can be made available to contractors who can then upload or download support documents such as microbiological certificates and training records. Sites can be added to L8MS Manage from our risk assessment software, L8MS Risk, manually built up with the software, or using a rather nifty spreadsheet template, which makes a fairly quick way to get them in. Our costing system is based on an annual charge for each site. We call them building record systems, so you can add or remove them as required. Monthly usage options allow for maximum flexibility. We use some great third-party software called Citrix GoToMeeting. This allows us to invite you to our desktop, so send us an email at sales@l8ms.co.uk and request a live demonstration. My name is Graham Thompson, and thanks for watching this presentation.